Here are the 6 best band exercises for beginners.
They say you must learn how to crawl before you walk, and that's why crawls actually help improve your gait and improve core and shoulder stability. Now, you can instantly make this exercise better by taking a light band, wrapping it around your trunk, and what this does, it actually creates more protraction, or the pushing away of the scapular shoulder blades to activate your serratus anterior muscles, which are key for shoulder health and performance. I like to mix between an inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth every step, like this. Notice I have opposite arm and leg mechanics. If it's too hard, you can actually start on the knees, but elevating the knees increases the quad recruitment and the balance challenges. I can also do this laterally, and we do both linear and lateral for best results. It looks like this. You're gonna love to hate this exercise.
Please ask me any questions in the comments section underneath this video.
Pay attention. The band split pull apart. Great exercise to improve posture and strengthen and build the upper back. Now here's how I like to set up for it. You can do a split kneeling position. Take the band, wrap it around your upper back, and then I like to go like this, where I wrap it around the hands for a little more comfort and a little more tension. Now I'm going to exhale across as I pull it apart. Inhale through the nose to return. Now, you want to go right across the nipple line. I like to say you're not doing this exercise right if you're not making your nipples hard. So, now you want to make this harder? It's already stretching the hips, but if I lift a little bit and balance a glass of water on my head, now my entire lower body is getting smoked isometrically while I dynamically build my upper back.
Get my gym shorts at the link in the video description.
The one-leg glute bridge is already a great butt builder, but you can take a light band, place it around the hips, and then pin it down to the floor with your hands, which is going to do 2 things. One, it gives you peak tension and peak contraction of the hips for maximum butt squeeze, all right? It also creates more work for the upper mid back and your delts, as you have to actually push down hard to the ground to keep the band in place. I want you to exhale through the mouth going up, inhale through the nose going down. If you want to get a little more glute ham engagement, pull the toes to the shin, also strengthen your shins more, and go like this. And I think overall you're going to enjoy this exercise.
Please like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a video.
The split squat is my go-to lower body exercise. Minimal spinal stress, strength and imbalances between sides, and lightweight feels heavy because you're going one side at a time. Now, make it better with this particular band setup that Uncle Baby likes to use. So, opposite shoulder to foot. So, left shoulder, right foot. Pin it down. Typically, this move is easiest at the top, but now with this band setup, because it's maximally stretched, I get peak tension at the top, and I work my lower quads more in my knee extensors. It also pulls me down faster, forcing my body to decelerate more going down and accelerate more coming up. Inhale down, exhale up, start slow, and then gradually build up speed.
Get my bands and all my apparel from sleevessoldseparately.com.
The hammer curl targets the forearms and the brachialis, which is the muscle sandwiched between the biceps and the triceps right here. That hammer grip means my palms are facing. You want to pull all the way to shoulder level and then come down and control. Start slow and then build up speed for more metabolic stress and a more precious pump.
Go to thedailybj.com to burn belly fat fast at home.
The overhead press is the king of shoulder exercises. It also targets the triceps as an elbow extensor and your abs as a core stabilizer. It's so good with bands though, because if you have a history of shoulder pain, you get peak tension at the top and the least tension at the bottom. And this is typically where people get shoulder pain, especially with dead weight, dumbbells, barbells. So it's a great exercise to work into rotation. Start slow and focus not only on pushing up, but pulling apart to clear space in that shoulder girdle. Control it down, and then gradually build up speed. Ooh, this 40-year-old is hot to trot. Resistance bands are a staple at thedailybj.com. We use continuously looped resistance bands, and they have what's called dynamic variable resistance, meaning as the band stretches, the tension increases. It also functions much like a muscle, whereas the muscle stretches, it pulls back faster. there's a rebound effect. So we love these drills. They're very low impact on the joints. We have them at sleevesoldseparately.com, where you get 4 levels of resistance: yellow, red, black, and purple in order of difficulty. We mix between lighter and heavier bands based on the drill. So I definitely recommend the full band gym package at sleevesoldseparately.com. In terms of breathing, I want you to inhale through the nose going down and exhale through the mouth going up for all exercises besides the crawls and the pull-aparts.
Here's a bonus exercise to shred up your ribs and alleviate shoulder pain.
The band SCAP press trains scapular protraction, or pushing the shoulder blades away from each other, activating your serratus anterior muscles alongside the ribs, which is key for shoulder health and performance. Now you can do this drill with an overhand grip the whole way, but I also like to mix in this particular variation where I'm actually mimicking the way I would punch. So you start palm spacing, and as you push out, you rotate overhand. And you know, it's no surprise, the serratus anterior is called the puncher's muscle, so it's a great way to kind of apply our boxing mechanics. Now you can also take this drill, and I actually like to do it with a SCAP bar. So I'll put one end of the band around one end of a stick or pipe, or as I call this, a double-sided dildo, and it allows me to kind of get a little more freedom of motion, and it's not as stressful on the hands in terms of using a lighter band.
Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for fast, fun, and effective workouts for busy parents and professionals, get a free trial to thedailybj.com today. In the savannah, no one is safe from the African leopard. Introducing the BJ Gaddour signature leopard aviators from Blue Blocker. For jungle cats only, go to blueblocker.com.